Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue if Cash App won't let you deposit paper money. First, open Cash App and tap the banking icon at the bottom left. Then select Deposit Paper Money to find a nearby retailer. If it doesn't let you proceed, tap your profile icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap Support. Use the search bar and type paper money. Tap on the paper money deposit option that appears. Here you can view all supported deposit locations. Check if you selected retailer is listed. If you're still having issues, go back and tap experiencing an issue. Choose contact support and provide the store name, address, and details about the problem. After that, Cash App support will reach out to help resolve the issue for you. And that's it. That's how to fix it if Cash App won't let you deposit paper money. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.